Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com, how to make a custom do-it-yourself knife handle. This knife handle is going to be suitable for any full tang custom knife. You can make it out of wood, or in this case I've decided to make it out of a black Delrin. We basically cut the shape of the knife handle out of the material just with a jigsaw. Then we're going to clamp that material to the knife blank and finish drilling the holes through the material. I just used a 1/4 inch drill and corresponding 1/4 inch shafting, which I purchased down at the local Home Depot. But you could use any other soft metal. You could also use brass shafting if you'd like. We're then going to use a 2-part epoxy, and we're going to epoxy the handle material to the knife handle, and we're also going to glue each of the pins and insert them through the holes. In this case, there's 3 holes that are attaching this side of the knife handle to the actual material of the knife. In addition to those 3 holes, I have roughed up the handle of the steel just so that 2-part epoxy grabs it a little bit better. Also made some divots or some half holes with a drill. I'm going to turn the knife over, and I'm going to bang it down so that now those small shafts are sticking completely up. I'm now going to apply the 2-part epoxy to the opposite side of the knife handle, as well as to each one of those pins. This is a fairly simple process, and it really provides you with a very durable, long-lasting, and quite attractive knife handle. You don't have to be real careful with this glue. We're actually going to clamp it all together later. Some of this glue is going to be squeezed out, and that will all get filed down later. I'm going to apply the second half of the knife handle, just lining up each one of those pins with the holes that we already made through the knife handle. Once this is, we're going to take that whole knife blade and place it in a vise. Make sure you're not clamping down on the pins. And I'm going to leave it in the vise until it completely dries, usually a couple hours. Once it's dry, you take it out of the vise, and now you can start to remove the excess material. Don't forget those blanks, or the knife handle blanks, were slightly larger than the actual blade. They weren't a very accurate cut. I'm just going to use a disc grinder with a flap disc with a grit sanding paper and start to remove the excess material. The same disc grinder is going to be used to actually shape the handle to round out all of the edges and give it the desired thickness and shape that you'd like. Because we used the soft material for the pins, it will also grind down those pins so that they're actually flush with the outside dimensions of that Delrin knife handle. Actually, the final touch is either to sand the handle by hand, or in this case I'm just going to use an electric sander. And it's as easy as that. A do-it-yourself, easy custom knife handle for any full tang knife. Check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. Check out our other how-to videos, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.